Question 16b. A game involves rolling two six-sided dice, followed by rolling a third six-sided die. To win the game, the number rolled on the third die must lie between the two numbers rolled previously. For example, if the first two dice show 1 and 4, the game can only be won by rolling a 2 or 3 with the third die. Part 1. What is the probability that a player has no chance of winning before rolling the third die? To have a chance of winning the game, the difference between the first two dice must be at least 2 to allow the possibility of a number in between using the third die. Now this situation can be modelled using an array or a two-way table, and the numbers in this array are the number of possibilities in between the two dice that are rolled. So for example, if we roll a 1 and a 1, then there are no possibilities, which means that there is no chance of winning. If we roll a 1 and a 2, again, there are no possibilities of numbers in between. But if we roll a 1 and a 3, then there is one possibility, which is the number 2. If we roll a 1 and a 4, then we could roll a 2 or a 3 on the third die, and that gives us a chance of winning the game. So we've completed the table here. We're just counting the number of x's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 out of a total of 36 outcomes. So the probability of no wins is 16 out of 36 or 4 over 9. Part 2. What is the probability that a player wins the game? Part 2 may be answered by considering the various cases that result in a win. In the first case, we have a difference of 2 on the first two dice, which gives us one possible outcome on the third die for a win. In the second case, we have a difference of 3 on the first two dice, which gives us two possible outcomes of a win on the third die. In the third case, we have a difference of 4 on the first two dice, which gives us 3 possible outcomes of a win on the third die. And in the fourth case, we have a difference of 5 on the first two dice, which gives us 4 possible outcomes of a win on the third die. So that's 8 over 36 multiplied by 1 over 6, which is the probability of a win in the first case, plus 6 over 36 multiplied by 2 over 6, plus 4 over 36 multiplied by 3 over 6, plus 2 over 36 multiplied by 4 over 6, which equals 1 over 27 plus 1 over 18 plus 1 over 18 plus 1 over 27, which equals 5 over 27.